feeding 哈，这个是训练点的。那刚才有一个人好像 US 来的嘛。Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we are now at Pacific Pier at Ocean Park. This is one of the place where you can look at the amazing seals. You spot some seals swimming in the water. It's quite clean, this water, and clear as well. One thing about this water is quite clean, cold also. 我做的像 look like 一个 pot 这样啊。Let's go and check this other place out. Wow, museum of Captain's Workshop. These are the viewing areas where we can look at the California sea lions as they swim inside here, but we haven't spotted them here yet. Oh, they can swim quite fast. These are quite huge too. Amazing 哦！
我这边讲，它其中，哎，好可爱哦，肥的。看起来我们从上面看它的。好可爱。它的身体是furry的还是什么
？furry 的
啊？furry？还是画画的
？furry，因为它是。
好笑，要走，慢慢推它，慢慢再看。哇，很大啊！
After looking at the sea lions, we're out here. In front of us, that's the whirly bird. So you sit on this ride and it will swing around, rotating up high. Here we have this clown, so she's here making lots of balloon animals and entertaining the kids.
好，爸爸贏到嘅包剪揼係一條海豚，我哋嚟睇下啦。哇！首先俾條尾巴佢，跟住就係海豚嘅身體啦。哦，究竟係點嘅樣嘅咧？係圓形定係正方形嘅咧？原來咧，我呢一條海豚仔咧，平時咧做得運動多啊，係一格腹肌嘅。唔知道大家嘅腹肌係一團腹肌定係一格咧？好，話咁快，我哋將海豚嘅嘴仔擺埋落去之後咧，就可以畫翻啲 detail 俾佢啦。記住喎，海豚唔係魚嚟㗎，佢同鯨魚一樣咧，都會有把氣筒，佢哋可以咧浮上水面嗰度咧吸腹部。好，跟住之後咧，我哋又再加埋個眼睛。
Here we have Kuromi and Kuromi's fans taking a photo with her. You can take a photo here if you want. Just queue up. This is the whirly bird up close.
你要去玩吗？後邊停了。
这边一晚的吗？
不懂，去看。
一晚的就在电台。
我看一下啊。
This is the Polar Express. The view here is amazing. We did not know that the Polar Express was going to go to the lower part, and anyways we took it. So this is what the map looks like here. At the moment we're around this particular area, the place where we saw the sea lions. So then after that I walked a bit. After that I did a bit of walking, so I walked along this particular path until this area where I saw this whirly bird, and then after that I walk all the way through this trail ride area, and finally we're here at the Polar Express. This Polar Express takes us down back to the main area, which is the lower part of ocean part, which you will see in a while. So this is where this express is. It's quite a fun ride because this whole train cuts through the mountains, so you don't see anything while you're going to go down.
女士们、先生们、各位小朋友，欢迎乘坐海洋列车。
去看一下。
本次列车配有特技灯光音响效果，带你进入精彩缤纷的旅程，到达海洋公园的另一端。如果你的小孩会怕这些特技，请
现在在等什么？等这个火车。很多人哦。应该是这个刚才那会下去楼下，有可能那。
女士们、先生们、各位小朋友，欢迎乘坐海洋列车。本次列车配有特技灯光音响效果，带你进入精彩缤纷的旅程，到达海洋公园的另一端。 如果你的小孩会怕这些特技，请你在
Finally, we are in the train area. You can have a free seating. This train looks like it's inspired from the Thousand Leagues Under the Sea. It feels like a different world.
Ah?
旅程中，乘客請緊握扶手，或緊貼着椅背上座位。旅程中，請與緊握扶手或緊貼在椅背上坐穩。旅程中，乘客請緊握扶手或緊貼在椅背上坐穩。
This vlog will end very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Do catch the next video. So now we're going down this train, and above us there are some screens showing the volcanic eruptions in the ocean and so on, as though we're in the sea. It really does feel like you're going into the ocean. This train is actually cutting through the mountains, but you don't feel like that. Finally, we have arrived. This is at ground level now. This is the lower part of Ocean Park. There is a whole lots of area to explore around too. So I think if you're going to Ocean Park, you may need a couple of days to fully explore everything and enjoy all the rides.
这整个要去看，好像这是没懂的。
他们在一起的位置
啊？